So, we are back with predictions.
Something new
Yes,
for a change.
yes, I know. And I know Fluminense versus Al Hilal अभी चल रही है.
Hmm.
So, sorry for that, but थोड़ा late realize हुआ कि we should tap into it. So,
वही
हाँ. But like, let's go. So, Fluminense Al Hilal क्या लग रहा है? कौन जीतेगा?
अगर ये वाला गलत कर दिया
This one is the banker.
okay, I am going for a. It'll stay like this 2-1 Fluminense will.
See, Fluminense में ये है ना थियागो सिल्वा.
I okay.
फ्लूमिनेंसे में थियागो सिल्वा है
Hmm.
एंड अल हिलाल. I mean
But
the
yeah,
team which knocked out Manchester City. I think
थोड़ा shameful होगा वही.
I think they have it in him. I think they have it in them. I think Al Hilal make it 2-2
Hmm.
and they win in extra time. 3-2.
Hmm. Okay.
So let's go with the next game, which is Chelsea versus Palmeiras. What are your
Chelsea
thoughts?
Chelsea 2-0 win or something. 3-1 2-0.
Estevao is going to be playing against Chelsea, by the way. The player who Chelsea have signed for a reported fee of 60 million euros, making him the most expensive Brazilian ever.
Yeah.
Yep, like most Brazilian like player to move out.
Hmm. Okay, but I think Chelsea goes to the semi-final. Like plus
I
काफी
think,
decent form है यार उनका
uh,
मतलब everyone
I think
scoring
Chelsea
Delap वगैरह.
bash. I think Chelsea bash Palmeiras 5-1 with
Five.
Liam Delap scoring a brace
Hmm.
and Cole Palmer scoring two as well.
Bold.
So that is, yeah, those are my predictions.
Hmm.
And let's move on to tomorrow's games, जिसको हम बाद में मिल करेंगे, but हम पहले prediction देंगे.
Hmm.
May or may not happen in the like, ठीक है, इसकी prediction तो नहीं बनाएंगे, but like हाँ. So PSG versus PSG
Never,
versus Bayern
you
Munich.
never know भाई.
PSG versus Bayern Munich.
PSG win this one for me. I don't, but I feel like this will be like a banger. 3-2.
मेरे को भी लग रहा है कि this has goals written all over it.
Like, I
But
just don't see PSG losing.
see,
यार एक तो वो
no,
जो
I don't
फोर
think so.
4-0 जो देख रहा है ना मुझे स्क्रीन से मायामी को जो मारा है
Mm, nah.
क्या.
I don't think so. Bayern हरा पाएगी. But I think let's just for the fun of it,
Hmm.
3-3 full time, extra time जो भी है, PSG go through on pens.
Okay.
And let me go with a shock prediction for this game. Harry Kane will have a sticker.
उतना शौक नहीं है बट हाँ ठीक है.
और अच्छा और shock दूँ.
हाँ.
Manuel Neuer own goal.
ओहो.
हाँ
दिस इज
चल.
ये हो गया था या ये हो गया तो आई डोंट नो फिर इससे ज्यादा क्या ब्लो अप कर सकता है अपने चैनल को भाई.
I don't
10
know. Let's see.
क्रेडिट्स बनाऊंगा भाई मैं. हाँ. ओके.
Madrid Dortmund, the UCL final again.
I think they'll run it back with a 2-0 win. And Vinicius will score. Wait, Vinicius is कुछ हुआ ही
Yeah,
ना.
he नहीं.
हाँ. Vinicius will score. You know what? नहीं. Vinicius will score one and one कोई एरा गैरा header goal corner or set
Gonzalo
piece.
Garcia, do you back him to score again?
I I couldn't care less about him, but yes, I do.
Okay,
Okay.
ठीक है. Just just to put something on stake, but like no. Um, I don't know why, but I feel
हाँ.
Real Madrid are gonna lose tomorrow.
Wow. I hope, but
but because the thing is, I still don't think Madrid defensively उतनी sound है, क्योंकि यूवेंटस में प्रॉब्लम, लाइक यूवेंटस वाले गेम में मैंने देखी थी जब, तो द थिंग वाज कि अटैकिंग में Madrid वर देयर, बट there was a certain toothlessness in Madrid का attack, and that toothlessness was there because Trent को वो लोग properly utilize नहीं कर पा रहे थे. Trent का flank was completely empty. If you all watched the video, like you would have remembered. But so I think Dortmund are gonna like double down on it, and Dortmund का defense has always been like decent. कोई scene नहीं है, and I've seen थोड़े ऐसे reels पे that Kobel is having a good like tournament,
Yeah.
and Girassi again. I think Girassi is gonna cause a lot of troubles, and on the wing again RDME है, so like pace से deal करना is never easy, especially when you're Trent. But
भाई उसको अभी से शुरू कर दिया टारगेट करना यार, दैट्स क्रेजी.
हाँ, I mean,
मजा आएगा, अच्छा गेम है.
so वही, तो I think Dortmund are gonna win this one 2-1
Okay.
with Serhou Girassi scoring a goal, and Julian Brandt scoring the other one. And for Madrid, Jude Bellingham will score a goal. Okay, so let's go with the semis.
Yeah.
Al Hilal versus Chelsea for me. So let's go with yours. ठीक है. 83 minutes.
This is where
83 minutes हो गए. Like Fluminense अभी भी जीत रहे. So let's just go with yours. ठीक है.
हाँ. Okay. So I think इनका ही रन खत्म हो जाएगा Fluminense का. सपना जो भी था. Chelsea will go to the final, and I think Fluminense will give them a fight. Like it'll be a boring type game, ऐसे 1-1, but Chelsea will win it either in extra time or pens. That's what I feel.
I mean, I do see it, so not outrageous. ठीक है. Yeah, I think the same, but like I think it's gonna be much easier. But again, it is going to be certainly emotional for some Chelsea fans because it will be against Thiago Silva, club legend in my opinion for Chelsea.
Easily.
आया UCL जीता, and then he was stabilizing.
उसकी वाइफ भी भाई, she was so, मतलब उससे ज़्यादा वो बोलती थी भाई.
Passion था भाई उनमें.
Actually nice.
So okay, so choose one team क्योंकि दोनों में अपने अलग गए, right? Like so PSG and let's go with Dortmund. I don't know why. और let's just do PSG Madrid, PSG Dortmund दोनों, क्योंकि like
हाँ मतलब अब देख लेंगे.
हाँ, so PSG Madrid first.
PSG Madrid.
If this happens, please Desiree Doué, please Ousmane Dembele, please Bradley Barcola, please Kvicha Kvaratskhelia, please
get him.
Do the needful. आग लगा दो. Just do it, please.
यार, this will be a good game यार, मतलब भाई इतना मजा आएगा इसमें. Like SA. PSG will win, but easy तो नहीं, because like Madrid यार, I don't know, they'll score one shitty goal somehow. PSG will win, मतलब they'll dominate the game and they'll create a lot of chances, and out of them they'll convert like 2 maybe, and Madrid I think will score क्योंकि they do in big games. So 2-1 I'm going for PSG.
I'll go 3-0 PSG.
3-0. Wow.
Yes. Kvicha scores. Dembele scores. And let's just go with Fabian Ruiz. Fair. For a banger, outside the box banger.
Wet dreams है भाई ये अपनी.
कोई नहीं. And PSG Dortmund, come on.
No, and like
no.
thrashing है वो तो thrashing.
नहीं भाई, फील लाइक
बहुत बुरा मैचअप है ये।
नहीं, बहुत मिसमैच, लाइक
वही, like in every sense.
गेम खत्म है.
3-0,
I
4-0.
think, yeah, easy. There's no doubt about it. But yeah, I don't think, like, let's see. This is less likely to happen, so we won't give the scorers and all. So let's just go with finals. Paris Saint-Germain versus Chelsea. जिसकी जर्सी मैंने कुछ वीडियो में पहनी थी.
हाँ. कल
कोई तो वीडियो में आज, लाइक आज की वीडियो में ही दूसरी, या लाइक कल की वीडियो में पहनी थी मैंने.
वही.
हाँ.
So
So
I can't go against PSG, yaar. I don't know. PSG will win, but I don't know, yaar. I feel like this will be a boring final somehow. This won't be as good
but
as.
I don't know, mate. Like, I just have a feeling that Chelsea are gonna win it.
नहीं, like मैं सोच रहा हूँ, but I just can't see them. PSG को नहीं यार, I don't think they can beat PSG.
Okay, I'll just say one word, like one name. Todd Bowley, USA.
हाँ, okay, that will be a different agenda अगर that will be a story.
Because I don't think like FIFA are beyond that, like those kind of things. They'll
What do you
they'll
think?
they'll
क्या
they will
तू बोलने
literally
वाला है? एक
they
मिनट.
will literally no. I'm not going on the
Wait.
World Cup tangent. I'm not going on the World Cup tangent. I'm saying they will shake their ass for money. Like they will tour for money. Because this is what the whole tournament is about.
वही.
And if Chelsea win it, टॉड बोली के नाम से पे चेक तो जा रहा है भाई. Like everyone knows that. ऐसे. So that like, and apart from that also, I think that Chelsea have enough firepower. But if this game, like if Chelsea has to win it, I think Cole Palmer has to just
वही.
like rip it up, like show why he is like.
मतलब उसे वो करना पड़ेगा जो कॉन्फ्रेंस फाइनल में ऐसे उसने लाइक क्रेजी 2 असिस्ट डाल दिए, कुछ तो कटिंग एज लाइक लाना पड़ेगा,
लाइक जो उसने यूरोज में दिखाया था वो उसको फिर से करना पड़ेगा, लाइक.
वही.
So those are our predictions. So like let me know who you agree with, me or Sam. ये तो तुरंत एडिट भी हो जाएगी, इसमें कट्स वर्ड्स नहीं है. So like, so I think it's a fair one. Like he's going for PSG, I'm going for Chelsea. But like I think let's just like for one team to win. Like I think Chelsea is a fair shout. Like
It is, but वही है, like I just can't go against PSG. Like also अगर इस जो हम बोल रहे हैं, like जिस रन पे वो आएंगे बायर्न और मैड्रिड को हरा के, मुझे नहीं लगता कि they'll like lose to Chelsea. I just don't see that happening.
Okay, नहीं, but think about it, ठीक है, like the probability of Chelsea winning is much more because पाल्मेरास को हराने के ज्यादा चांस है, and either of Fluminense or Al Hilal को हराने के ज्यादा चांस है than PSG beating Bayern and PSG beating either Madrid or Dortmund. So like probabilistically the chances of PSG to come to the finals is also low, and then winning the final again. So like joint probability,
but
mathematically speaking,
हाँ.
Chelsea are more favored. So like.
But वही है, if they reach the final फिर थोड़ा it's वही. But ठीक है, मतलब I feel like अगर चेल्सी जीतेगी तो like ऐसा कुछ होगा कि like फर्स्ट हाफ की एंड में like some set piece गोल मारा and then second half थोड़ा घटिया एकदम.
नहीं वो तो करना पड़ेगा.
गलीज फुटबॉल.
Because I think Reece James has been on the rise again. So like
वही.
अच्छा लग रहा है, थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है अभी. क्योंकि
now I know that
I don't have to force a debate. Like the better fullback eventually went to Madrid. So like अगर Reece James अच्छा खेल रहा था तो वो Madrid में होता. Like everyone knows that. So like वो debate तो force करने की नहीं है. So like he's the best. Like he's the right back I like the most in the Prem after Frimpong. So like
fair.
So this is good. So those are our predictions. See you in another one. We won't like push this one as well. So yeah, bye.
See you.